friends from the Lean community. Adriana and I are really counting the days to be with you at the summit in March. My name is Felipe Brito, and I'm here today to give you a sneak peek of our session, Coca-Cola's Lean Digital Transformation Journey. As the world gets faster and more complex, and as you and me as consumers have sky-high expectations now, Coca-Cola felt it needed to be even more connected to its consumers, providing more relevant and frictionless experiences. And that's what our session will be about, bringing lean and bringing digital to help Coca-Cola be the best at getting better. We'll be sharing how the organization has been evolving and why lean thinking was instrumental to what we achieved so far. Our goal is to show you the hows so you can bring them back to your own transformations. You learn how we achieved deep leadership alignment and how Coca-Cola was able to change mindset and behaviors in a learning by doing environment. Also, how quarterly bold objectives, hypothesis-driven experimentation, deep consumer interaction, and autonomy yielded incremental and impactful transformation. We look forward to see you in Houston. Bye-bye.